Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. I have this loop thing that I'm going to try. This is like a finger grip for the phone, and I'm going to give this thing a try. It goes onto the onto an iPhone case, so you can use it on that. And you can kind of see it looks like there's two different ones that it comes with. It comes with this one. Boy, it's like the stringy stuff there, and it's a metal piece. I'm not going to do the 3M. The sticky stuff on it right now because I'm recording with the phone that I have, but I have another case here, so I'm just going to show you on the case how it works. So you would put it up here, I guess, and it connects on with magnets. I'm guessing it would go the magnet all the way through, and it would hold on. And then when you're doing stuff, so you can have it there, and you can have it magnetized onto whatever, the car mounts or whatever, and it's still going to have the MagSafe going through it because of the way it works. And then when you want to hold it, you can hold it like this, and it gives you the ability to use your phone and not lose it when you're doing stuff. So it's actually kind of cool. I like it. I might stick it on. I probably won't stick it on this case, but I did a 2-pack. So it came with this one here, and take that one off, and it came with this one here. So this one is a little bit, it's a harder, I don't know if you can see on here, the plastic on this one here is super thin and moldy, like my finger will go in there, and this one here is a harder plastic, but it's a weave pattern. I'm not sure if it'll hold its strength out there, if it's going to stretch out of place over time. I guess we'll see. I'll update this video if it does anything like that, but for right now, it looks like it's a pretty good deal. Got 2 of these. They're really inexpensive. So I like it. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description, and I'll be putting these on my actual phone that I'm using shortly. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.